What's up, community? It's your boy Pride Gig Gems, and we are back with another video. This is episode 2 of our ride along doing Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's a very interesting video, and like, comment, subscribe. Be nice in the comments, guys. You will see why I'm saying be nice, but please try to be nice in the comments. This is a very instant video. I enjoyed making this video. In this video, I'm very transparent, which I will be on this channel. We're going to be very transparent, and I'm going to take you guys through the highs and lows of everything that happens on these ride-alongs, delivering these orders, picking up these passengers. You guys going to get everything, so enjoy the video. Still see the coal in my eyes. We had a good day yesterday. Get ready to go to my real job this morning, and look what we got here. Can't make this up. Today is the 15th, so July 15th, wake up the next morning after a good day of gig work on Sunday, and this is what we got. A flat tire. Flat tire. Can't make this up, man. This is my car in the garage. Can't make this up. Flat freaking tire, man. Next day. Flat tire. And that's not even the worst of it. The closest tire shop, 45 minutes from where I live. Not only that, we do not have this car did not come with a spare tire. So yeah, it's gonna be an eventful day. We can't go to work. We're just gonna have to figure it out. Gotta love it. Just started this YouTube channel yesterday, and here we go. But we're gonna get through it. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna get through it. But we could pretty much count everything that we made yesterday gone. Too tired, so yep, there's that. We're gonna figure it out. On a good note, we were able to find emergency flat tire repair kit. So we're gonna use this on the tire, see if we can use our common sense to do this, and try to get this tire to the city so that we can get it changed. So let's do that and see if we can have a better day than how the day started. Let's go. Leaking some white stuff. Anybody that's a mechanic, I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but we're gonna hurry up and get this tire to bar stuff. Hopefully that's at least good enough for me to drive it. I'm gonna drive it around the block and see if I can at least get it there. It's about a 45-minute drive, so I'm hoping it's not too bad. Let's see. This shit looks horrible. I don't even know what this shit is that's leaking in the vehicle, but it looks bad. Let's get this car out of here though. As you can see, the vehicle's at 26. We're gonna do our best. We gotta drive 45 minutes to get to this tire shop, so good luck us, man. Let's do it. Excuse my morning face, it's been a rough morning, man. As you can see, we're on the road, headed to this tire shop, man. Only thing I can really say about this situation is just that, like, everything happens for a reason. I'm seriously considering just downgrading this vehicle, or obviously getting another vehicle to do gig work in, and just using this vehicle solely just for vacationing. And so seriously considering getting a second vehicle. But you know, end of the day, things happen. Some things are just not in your control. Now you can do in your control, and it's up to you if you're gonna let that ruin your day, or you're gonna go attack the day, get after it, and you know, just go on with life, man. Things happen in life. You just have to roll with the punches. But at least we got some more content, something out of the situation, right? So I'm just trying to stay positive. This really fucking sucks. Literally about to give back because this tire is probably gonna be $200 to $300 depending. Like they do not. The city I'm going to, they do having a Mercedes is like having a Rolls Royce. Every tire shop you go to, they want to overcharge you for tires, and it's just ridiculous. And then not only that, there's literally only one Pacific tire shop that I went to last time when I got a new tire that has my actual tire, so I know they're gonna hit me over the head with the price. So literally the whole 200 close to, we literally made almost 200 yesterday, pretty much giving all of that back, if not more. So all right, 45 minutes later, car is at 22 and we're just pulling up to the tire shop. What a baby, man. Only my back tire got a nail in it. Like, what the fuck? It's just the back. Oh my god. Extra. Back on the road, got a healthy vehicle. 95 degrees, 10 o'clock. See what we can get accomplished today. All right, so the good news is it was only 140 to fix everything, so that's what we lost. Pretty much yesterday's earnings. So we did call off work for the day, so we're gonna use this time to try to go get it. Operation, get this 140, well, plus gas, so 200. So operation, get this $200 back. It's underway in effect on Monday. So I don't know what a Monday is really like up here in my market, because I haven't worked too many Mondays, but we will see. Hopefully it's a good one, man. We're gonna try to make it do what it do. All right, we got our first order. It's a PetSmart order. $9 for 8 miles. I really didn't want to take that because I'm only getting $1 per mile, but it's a Monday. I really don't know what to expect today or how much it will make today, so we'll just go ahead and take that and then get it done. So see you guys at PetSmart. Got the PetSmart. Let's go get this order. Order secured. It was some cat food that they wanted, so let's get this dropped off. Keep a mental note. Remind me to keep a mental note to never do that drive again. That drive was terrible. And then the passenger's house was on the dirt path. Like, everything about that ride was horrible. The roads to get there is just horrible. It was not worth $9. So mental note, whatever address that was, which we'll see later, because I didn't really look at the address, but mental note, we ain't doing that shit again. If I see his face pop up on Lyft, cancel, we ain't doing it. Because that was a wear and tear ride. And we ain't trying to get no wear and tear on this vehicle. We're good on that. So, negative, noted, and yeah, that's it. Next up. Hey, thank you for watching this video. It's your boy Prodigy Gig Gems, man. So, to explain if you made it to this video, let me explain the tire situation. So what ended up happening is we had to cut the ride along short because the tire ended up going out of air again, the same exact tire. So I figured, okay, If the tire is not holding air, it can't be the tire. It has to be maybe the rim. So I go back over to the tire shop, talk to the guy. Hey, my tire is not holding air. Can you check the rim and see if maybe it's the rim? He checks the rim. He takes the tire off, checks the rim, and sees it's a huge crack in the rim. And he told me that he's able to, a welder that he knows that's up the street that charges $100 to do that. So we end up going to that welder up the street to get that done to the rim. He said, I can do it, but you have to take the rim off and then bring him the rim, and then he'll be able to weld it because he's not a actual tire shop. So what ended up happening with that is, obviously, if I take the tire off the car, there's no way for me to. I'll have to tow the car to him for him to put everything back on. But it was just too much work. So we end up going on Google, finding another tire shop. They actually had welding there, so they welded the rim, and they ended up charging me $150 for that. So in total on the day, we lost $300 right off the rip on a Monday because of this tire situation. So to get into the car situation, I know people in the comments are gonna be, you shouldn't be doing gig work in a CLA Mercedes. Listen, guys, I get my car maintenance quarterly. Anybody that has a Mercedes knows you get your car maintenance quarterly anyway. So whether I'm doing gig work or not, I have to take that car in and spend $600-700 on maintenance. That's just what it is quarterly. So that's like what, 4 times a year. So just take that into account. Secondly, yes, doing gig work brings wear and tear on my tire, but my situation works for me. Every time I go out and do earnings, I'm bringing back money. I put money aside, set aside for maintenance for things like this, where I could just easily go and get whatever it needs fixed. Doing gig work is something that I enjoy and it works for me. So I'm going to continue doing it. I am considering downgrading my vehicle and getting something a little bit more worthy to make more earnings, but that's in the works and that's something that's going to happen down the line. But for right now, we've been doing gig work for over a year and it's been working. So we're not going to stop now. We're going to continue things. And that's just what it is. Our earnings for that day was like $50. Like Monday just was not happening, and that's fine. That's part of gig work. Bad things happen, ruins the day, but we keep pushing forward, and then that's just that. So we're just gonna keep it at that. At the end of the day, the tire got fixed. We're back on the road, and we're gonna be giving you guys more bangers. So if you have not already, hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, leave some words of encouragement in the chat, man, because we definitely need it. Monday was definitely rough, but we know bad things don't last forever, man. So all my gig workers, drivers out there, man, let's get it. It's another day to be great, and we're gonna continue keeping this train rolling. Peace.